Hi guys, today's video we're going to check out the 5 best car dash cam on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. OBDPEAK K2 Kardash Cam. The OBDPEAK K2 Kardash Cam is a modern, advanced device designed to provide peace of mind during your journeys. It features a corded electric power source, a built-in screen for easy viewing and accessing settings, a loop cycle recording feature for reliable performance, audio recording for added security, and a rear camera for comprehensive coverage. The IPS display delivers vibrant and clear visuals, making it easy to review footage and navigate through settings. The original package includes all necessary components for easy installation and setup. The touchscreen functionality adds a modern and user-friendly aspect to the dash cam, allowing for intuitive navigation and quick access to key features. The 16:9 screen ratio ensures a widescreen view, while the camera resolution of 3840 x 2160 ensures crystal clear video footage. The H.264 video codec efficiently compresses video files without compromising quality, maximizing storage efficiency. The dash cam supports TS and MP4 video formats, making it easy to play back and share recordings across various devices. Number 4. gmaioxo Car Dash Cam. The gmaioxo Car Dash Cam is a reliable companion for modern driving, offering powerful performance, crystal clear display, enhanced visibility at night, 360-degree protection, audio documentation, and high-quality video capture. Equipped with corded electric power, it provides uninterrupted recording during journeys, whether on a cross-country road trip or city streets. The camera features an IPS display with a 16:9 screen ratio, allowing easy navigation through settings and playback options. The night shot function ensures clear footage even during nighttime drives. The rear camera provides comprehensive coverage, capturing incidents both in front and behind the vehicle. Loop cycle recording ensures continuous monitoring without running out of storage space. The camera also includes audio documentation, providing a complete picture of events as they unfold. The high-quality video footage, with a 1920 x 1080 resolution and AVC and MAW format, is precision-driven. The gmaioxo Car Dash Cam requires a Class 10 memory card for optimal performance. Number 3. AZDOME Car Dash Cam. The AZDOME Car Dash Cam is a modern device that enhances your driving experience with advanced features and a sleek design. It features a crystal clear 4K resolution, a wide-angle view, loop cycle recording, audio recording, and a night shot function for clear and detailed footage in low light conditions. The camera also comes with a dual camera setup, providing comprehensive coverage for both front and back cameras. The built-in GPS provides accurate location data for each recording, making it useful for insurance claims or tracking journeys. Supercapacitors compensate for the absence of a traditional battery, ensuring reliable power performance in varying temperatures. The H.264 video codec and MP4 video format ensure efficient compression without compromising video quality. Smart features include a G sensor for automatic locking and protection during impacts or collisions, motion detection for recording, wide dynamic range for high contrast lighting, and a wireless function for easy access to footage and settings. The AZDOME Car Dash Cam is waterproof and anti-vibration, ensuring stable footage even on bumpy roads. Number 2. KCCOKard Dash Cam. The KCCOKard Dash Cam is a reliable device designed to capture every moment on the road. It features a f2.0 aperture, a working temperature range of -10 to 60 degrees, a 1-year warranty, a built-in screen, a loop cycle recording feature, audio recording, a night shot function, a rear camera, a 16:9 screen ratio, a Class 10 memory card, a wide 170 degrees view angle, high-definition video quality, H.264 video code and UV format, and special features like G-sensor, motion detection, South Dakota MMC card support, rear-view mirror integration, real-time surveillance, and a parking monitor. The camera also supports up to 64 GB external memory, providing ample space for storing recorded footage. The device's built-in screen provides vibrant visuals, while the loop cycle recording feature ensures no storage space is wasted. The camera also features a night shot function, enhancing visibility in low-light conditions. The KCCOKard Dash Cam is a standout choice for car owners looking for a reliable and high-quality dash cam. Number 1. AZDOME Car Dash Cam. The AZDOME Car Dash Cam is a compact and advanced device designed to provide peace of mind during your journeys. It offers crystal clear video quality with a maximum video frame rate of 60, wide-angle vision with a 150 degrees view angle, night shot function for night driving, loop cycle recording for continuous recording, a built-in IPS display for easy viewing, and audio recording for extra detail. The compact device weighs just 0.4 kg and can withstand temperatures ranging from -10 to 60. Its Type-C interface ensures a reliable and fast connection, and its 3.5 m cable length allows for flexible installation. The AZDOME Car Dash Cam comes with a 1-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind and assurance of its quality. The built-in IPS display provides a clear and vibrant view of your recordings, and the audio recording adds an extra layer of detail to your footage. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.